like that heat wave is continuing, so he definitely has the right idea. Head to the water. Lots of people doing so this weekend. As you saw in that video from that race, that marine layer is still making a bit of an influence on our coastal regions. So you'll see a little bit cooler temperatures along the coastline. Not for long, though. We will start to see that increase over the next couple of days. Hashtag V on KSVY. Show us what you are up to this weekend, whether that be in the triple-digit heat or a little bit cooler near the coastline like Montana de Oro. Thanks to Slow Elizabeth on Twitter for tweeting that. Hashtag V on KSVY. And there's that marine layer, onshore flow, making a difference along those coastline areas. So taking a look at our current conditions, we're now starting to see those temperatures drop off a little bit. 65 in Santa Barbara and Solvang, into the low 60s in those coastal valleys. Inland still sticking around 80 degrees. Those winds have calmed down, but as we have some high pressure building in the area, we are expecting those to pick up a little bit, expecting that to clear out some of that marine layer moving into Sunday and into Monday as well. So winds forecast right around 20 miles per hour into those afternoon hours, right around 23 in Lompoc, 18 in Santa Barbara for Monday afternoon. Then moving into Tuesday, it calms down just a tad into those early morning hours. So taking a look at the sky forecast, for that marine layer, we may see it stick around just a little bit longer, but for the most part, we're looking at clear skies Sunday afternoon, that continuing into Sunday evening. That high pressure is keeping our skies partly cloudy to mostly clear. So as we have this upper level ridge kind of moving into our area here, you really see that deepening into the west coast, and that will start to bring in some dry and hot conditions into our region. And a lot of people in North County and inland locations thinking we're already dealing with that, but we are expecting that to heighten. We're already looking at an excessive heat watch for southern Santa Barbara County. That starts Monday through Tuesday, with those coastal areas possibly seeing up to 98 degrees and those valleys seeing up to 110 degrees. So that starts early week, and along with that, we're expecting to see some sundowner winds in the region, with seeing gusts up to 45 miles per hour. Over the 7-day outlook today, we tied a record 13 days consecutively in the triple digits in Paso. If we hit 100 degrees tomorrow, we beat that record that was set in the 1960s. And with the way the rest of the week is looking, we may see 20 degrees of consecutive triple-digit temperatures. That is so hot out there. 100 degrees in Paso tomorrow, 85 in San Luis Obispo, 79 in Santa Maria, and 91 degrees in Santa Barbara. Those overnight temperatures into the 60s, 95 Santa Ynez, Carpinteria at 81. Five Cities area, Arroyo Grande close to 80 degrees, Pismo at 69 degrees, and closer to the north coast, you're seeing temperatures in the low 60s in Morro Bay and into the low 70s in Cambria. Over the next 5 days, we're seeing temperatures close to 90 degrees in Santa Maria as well. Santa Barbara is hitting 90s, the high 90s by the early week. And we're looking at those temperatures reaching 108 degrees in Paso by the end of the week, San Luis Obispo into the low 90s.